Few machines can hold their own against the KTM 500E Exc-F 6 days. Power, torque, unmatched handling, and pure 4-stroke fury puts this enduro weapon in a class all of its own. Packing a punch, complete with closed cartridge suspension, and an electronics package that puts its rivals to shame. With striking graphics incorporating the colors of the Italian flag, a glossy orange frame, and striking blue finishes. The SOHC engine in the KTM 500E Exc-F is an undeniable powerhouse. Weighing in at a mere 29.5 kilograms, it's remarkably lightweight for its power output. Clutchless upshifts are the name of the game, with the Quickshifter fitted as standard on the 4-stroke KTM 6 days models. The KTM 6 days models and allows for the easy selection of 2 unique engine maps. Suspension: 48mm WP XACT Closed Cartridge spring fork provides fast and consistent damping, with optimized oil flow. This means these forks ensure unmatched performance at every level. Fork protection rings also protect against dirt intrusion. WP XPLOR shock: PDS rear shock concept improves the anti-squat behaviors of the chassis. This remains the most reliable and maintenance-friendly option for competitive enduro racing. Frame: gloss orange powder-coated frame providing exceptional rider feedback, energy absorption, and high-speed stability. This is achieved by repositioning the rotating masses in the frame along with a forged steering head connection. The footrest mounts also feature a slim design for less risk of hooking up. An ultra-light lightweight subframe takes charge at the rear of the main frame, featuring a 2-part polyamide and reinforced aluminum construction. The KTM EXC range features an LED headlight unit and light mask. The mask itself features improved triple clamp protection against roost and does away with the rubber mounting straps for improved fitment. Fuel tank: the transparent, polythene, XPE, fuel tank is a signature element of the KTM Enduro lineup. Having undergone thorough race testing in everything from the GNCC to the hardest of FIM hard enduros. Exhaust: the 2-piece header pipe design is made to be as compact as possible, with the routing of the header pipe extremely close to the engine for maximum of mass centralization and minimum exposure to rocks. Wheels and tires: the KTM Exc-F 6 days range rolls on a set of high-strength 6 days branded giant alloy wheels coupled to CNC machined hubs and aluminum nipples. These are wrapped in a set of ultra-grippy Metzeler. Ergonomics: the KTM EXC range features a rider-focused body position triangle, providing improved knee contact, especially when standing on the pegs, with improved gripping surfaces all around. With the plastics working to expel mud buildup in wet, muddy conditions, a flat seat profile with a high grip seat cover providing exceptional rider movement and control, and a polyamide reinforced aluminum subframe providing unmatched rider feel and feedback, your only concern is navigating the terrain ahead of you.